Diego. Oh, how are you? How are you? Hey? To see, so his feet are definitely a lot better, but the one back, the one that started, I think the whole, stand still. He's still complaining about it being sore. Yeah. So he's going to put him back on devils. Yeah, he says his joints are sore. Shame, I love. Sore, this fetlock is sore. Sorry, my love. I'm going to put you back on that devil's claw. But this, there's I remember a lot less swelling here. Your tail's too long. Your tail is too long. I have to do something about this long tail. How's your front ones? Okay, there's no sensitivity here. Good boy. You're okay. It's just that white one. I'm sure it's just the white one. And no, don't lift it up. Okay, so that's just the ruins. Yeah. I can palpate this one quite firmly. No, it's just the white one, my love. You're not objecting now. Not too bad. You've got to show the pain. You've got to show the discomfort. Because that was part of the problem, is you didn't show anything. So that we just kept using you. And then, oh, you're crying again. You put some spray in your eyes, huh? You're crying again. Don't cry. Oh, please don't cry. This eye's not crying. Let's make this eye better. Come, I'm going to make this eye feel better. Let me give you a carrot. Yeah. Put your powder. Yeah.